Hi, I'm Lee. I'm Managing Director of ASAP Locksmiths. With the current situation that we're in, with the pandemic, everyone is very aware of the benefits of being antibacterial, antifungal. We have a new product on the market, which is this. It's made of copper, which has its own antibacterial qualities. And when installed around the handle or on a finger plate where you push the door open, if you've got an office or commercial premises or a school, obviously you're trying to bring down the transmission of disease or infection. And by putting this onto the hardware on the door, it actually is killing off the virus. This will dramatically reduce the level of infection that's transmitted by the hardware on the door.